pause Instagram reel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pause Instagram reel. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Instagram account, and after that just simply open the reel section from the bottom menu, the second option. Just simply tap on it, and over here you can see that there are so many reels that are coming up. So as I scroll, in order to stop the reel in the middle, so for example you are watching this particular reel right here and you want to pause this particular reel, so all you have to do is just simply long press on this particular reel right here, and your reel will be paused. And in order to remove the pause from this particular reel, all you have to do is just remove your finger from the screen and your reel will start playing again. And if you want to pause again, you have to long press it again and your reel will be paused. So this is basically how you will be able to pause Instagram reel. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.